Hey guys, it's Matt from ABICOR BINZEL. I want to show you today how to switch out the handle on your Delta air-cooled lightweight. So this is a really easy process to do, just using a standard hex wrench. Here's a Delta with standard handle, standard trigger. Take that hex wrench that you have, there's a little set screw right here. Get it in, take a turn to the left, loosen up that swan neck, and get it out. You want to take out the wire liner and the wire as well before making this handle switch. Here's the handle support right here. Quarter turn to the left and then unfold the back end of the handle like that to expose it. So from here we're going to disconnect the trigger leads. Now let's say we want to switch from the standard handle to a handle that has a raised trigger. Same wiring, go ahead and just match them up color to color. Now if you're using a handle that has a dual schedule option or lockout, wiring might be a little different. So definitely look at the Delta instruction manual, see how you have to connect the trigger leads. So once you get them all connected, go ahead and put it back into the housing. Make sure the ball socket right here is back where it should be as well. Fold two of the wires kind of under and then lay the other two on top. Make sure they don't pinch as you close the handle. Take that support nut, rotate until it gets in there. Take your swan neck, put it back in. Get your liner and your wire in obviously as well. Take that hex, tightens, and then once it does, nice little quarter turn to the right, and your swan neck is secure. If you want to see any more Delta product videos and how to change out the rear connect or even flip the cable, check out our YouTube channel or BINZELABICOR.com. This is Matt from ABICOR BINZEL. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.